Hello everyone, in this video, we will go through the best audio settings for a Vizio TV. First, go to your Vizio TV settings menu. Open the audio section. The first setting is audio mode or equalizer. Set this to movie if you want a balanced sound that works well for most content. If you prefer raw and unprocessed audio, choose direct. Movie mode is usually the best starting point for most users. Next, find digital audio out. Set this to bitstream or digital. This is very important if you are using a soundbar or a surround sound system because it allows proper audio signals to pass through your TV. For analog audio out, set it to fixed. This keeps the volume stable and lets your external speakers control the sound level instead of the TV. Now move to surround sound, turn it on. This helps create a wider and more immersive sound experience, especially when watching movies or TV shows. You should also enable volume leveler. This helps reduce sudden loud sounds, such as commercials, so your listening experience stays consistent. For bass and subwoofer settings, slightly reduce the bass, usually around -2 to -4. This helps remove muddy or heavy sound and makes audio clearer. For better speech clarity, increase dialogue and treble. A good range is +3 to +5. This makes voices easier to understand, especially in movies and news. Finally, look for Virtual X or True Surround. Turn it off if you want the most accurate and natural sound. Turn it on only if you want a wider soundstage using built-in TV speakers. These settings will help you get the best possible audio from your Vizio TV. Thanks for watching.